Throw that kick, step to the side. Never ever stay in line. Okay, what happens if he hits me hard in the liver? Switch, kick to the head. Hi, my name is Marco. I'm the kickboxing coach here at CSA Holland. And together with my fighter Victor, we're going to show you a Dutch kickboxing combination with punches to the head, body, and finish up with a kick. We're going to start with a jab cross to the head, followed by a hook, punch to the body, to the liver, finish up with a leg kick. Make sure as soon as you throw that kick, step to the side. Never ever stay in line with the opponent. So jab cross, 1, 2, hook, body, kick. 1, 2, hook, Een beetje sneller. Faster, 1, 2, 3, good. One, good. So he's going to throw a jab cross, hook to the head, liver punch, leg kick. Again, jab cross, hook, punch, kick. Jab cross, hook, liver, leg kick. Sneller. Ja. Eentje. Variation. He's going to start with a jab cross to the head, hook, liver. Now he's going to switch and he's going to throw a kick to the same spot, to the liver. So jab cross, hook, liver punch, switch, boom. Make sure again, step out of the line with the kick. So 1, 2, hook, get body, kick. Nice now. 1, 2, 3, 1. Good. Jab cross to the head, left hook, liver, switch, kick to the body. Boom. Jab cross, hook, liver, switch, kick to the body. And again, make sure you step out of the line with the kick. So jab cross, hook, body, hey. Sneller. Okay. Another one. Start the same, like jab cross, hook, body. Okay, what happens if he hits me hard in the liver? Which way I'm going to turn? I'm going to turn actually his way. So I'm going to, he's going to switch up and he's going to kick to the head with the left. So 1, 2, 3, body, switch, kick to the head. Again, jab cross, hook, liver, switch, kick to the head. It's sneller. Jab cross, hook, liver, switch, kick to the head. Again, jab cross, hook, body, switch, kick to the head. 1, 2, 3, up, switch and kick. Now sneller. Up, up, up. Hey. Hey. Again. Hey. Thanks for watching. If you want to have more information, check out our website on csaholland.com or go to the socials, Instagram, TikTok. See you next time.